In the current century, women constitute a greater number of population than men. Women highly seek a man who is the most dominant, most masculine, and most unique. Women are highly selective in nature and always look for the best. They desire the best among men, and when they find the rare gem they find most different and attractive, they are willing to spend their rest of life with these kind of men. Today, beauty is common, but authenticity is rare. To influence both women and men, one has to acquire knowledge, wisdom, and traits that creates an aura of interest around you. The most important thing since the beginning of human race is choice of words. In meantime, it can also be interpreted as a part of communication skills. You see, with your words comes to the light your wisdom. The more educated, experienced, knowledgeable, and interesting you are, the more people are drawn to you. If my words in front of a woman represent me as a clown, she will instantly lose respect for me and start looking up at me as a loser. However, when my words portray my intelligence, my mindset, my ambitions, women notice an aura of attraction around me. A well-speaking, confident, and charming man develops an interesting image in women's mind and makes them curious about his life. Another important factor is mystery. Women are very emotional, and with their thoughts, they begin to feel annoyed when they couldn't figure out what separates you from other men. Staying mysterious and personal around women while having slight interactions make them feel insecure as they begin to see you as a superior individual, and takes them to a level where they start adapting changes to make you notice, get your attention, and in the same way seek your approval. The element of mystery brings the feminine energy closer to your masculine energy, and women feel attracted to you. To make women notice you and find you rare among other men, it's also essential to take care of your looks, your hygiene, and the way you carry yourself. Women do not want to get close to men who disgust them or seem unattractive. Women notice a guy who takes care of himself from his skin to his nails. An attractive man does not look at women as their objective. Only geeks do. A real masculine man is more about gaining wisdom, experience, knowledge, dominance, and power. The man who is serious about success, achievements, and his ambitions is like a magnet for women. They crave being around such a man who is responsible and takes his responsibility seriously, as these kind of men are more reliable, trustworthy, protectors, and providers. Women want a man full of interest, adventures, authenticity, intimacy, and emotional intelligence. These qualities guarantee women that this man is worth to be with and produce an offspring with. These qualities couldn't let women ignore or leave you, however. These traits turn her on and make her form a sense of intimacy and physical connection with you to please you, be more secure around you, and keep you just with herself, so another woman does not steal you from her. Let me recall the key points so you could write them down and start acquiring these traits to enhance your personality. Choice of words, mystery, self-care, ambitions, lastly, sense of authenticity. These are the most obsessive traits of a man, but only a few acquire such level of attraction. Women do not sleep with any man on street, but desire an incomparable man who could not be found easily. Start improving yourself. Start leveling up. Be bold and brave.